Bosch offers a battery for every passenger car on today's roads. From the S3 for older vehicles with less electronic demand to the S6 high-performance AGM battery featuring the latest stop-start technology and the ability to satisfy the highest demands in any car, Bosch offers the right fit with the right quality. And all Bosch batteries are 100% maintenance-free. The S3 battery is an economical solution for older cars with less electrical equipment. For mid-sized or older vehicle owners with high electronic demand, the S4 battery is a good choice. The S5 battery delivers steadfast power in extreme temperatures and high-demand situations. And the S6 AGM battery features the latest stop-start technology, up to 2 times longer life, 30% more deep cycle and vibration resistance than conventional batteries, and is sealed and 100% leak-proof in any position, making it safe for passenger compartment use. The tools you'll need to install a passenger car battery include wrenches, a ratchet, extension and sockets, battery pliers, battery post and cable end cleaning brush, gloves, and a fender cover. Batteries can be dangerous. Be sure to protect your hands and eyes with sturdy gloves and safety glasses. Don't touch your clothes and wash your hands thoroughly, as even little traces of acid can damage the material. If your battery has failed after 3 to 4 years of usage, it is likely to be caused by regular aging of the product. If the failure occurred before that, we recommend that you have the complete electrical system checked instead of only replacing the battery. In most of today's vehicles, the starter battery is located in the front under the hood. If you are unable to locate your battery, refer to your vehicle manual. Before you start removing the old battery, ensure that the engine and all electronic devices are switched off. Once you've located the battery, remove the negative cable first by slightly loosening the cable end with the appropriate wrench or battery pliers and pulling the cable end off. The negative cable end is typically connected to a black cable, but always check the battery label to be sure. Look for the minus sign on the battery case. Properly secure the negative cable end away from the battery. This will avoid any unintentional contacts during the removal process. Next, remove the positive cable end from the old battery, using the same process described for the negative terminal by slightly loosening the screw and pulling the cable end off. The positive cable end is typically connected to a red cable. Look for the plus symbol on the battery case. Properly secure the positive cable somewhere away from the negative cable. Loosen the nuts or bolts on the bracket that holds the battery in place. Carefully lift the old battery out of the vehicle. Be aware that batteries commonly weigh about 40 pounds. To install your new Bosch battery, place it into the same designated position as the old battery. You may have to jiggle it a little so it will fit into the holding plate. Push it to the side of the plate where the bracket will lock the battery in place. Before reconnecting the cables to the new battery, inspect the cable ends and perform a general cleaning. Place the positive cable end onto the positive terminal and tighten the hardware. Ensure that the hardware is not too tight but still holds on to the terminal. Place the negative cable end onto the negative terminal and tighten the hardware. Make sure that the hardware is not too tight but still holds on to the terminal. You can now close the hood and start your engine. Because the battery was unattached, you may have lost information in your car's onboard computer. You may need to re-enter a password for your radio and other features to operate properly. Remember, if your vehicle is equipped with a battery management system, you may need to recalibrate it after changing the battery. See your vehicle manual for details. Over 90% of the material in a lead-acid battery is recyclable, so make sure you return the old battery to the point of purchase. When buying a battery, you typically pay an environmental surcharge, which will be refunded with the return. To find your local source for high-quality Bosch automotive products, visit our website at boschautoparts.com. For professional assistance with your auto repair needs, contact an independently owned and authorized Bosch Car Service repair shop. Visit boschcarservice.us to find one near you.